for your new posts at district level and the PDCs, especially the PDCs, for accepting, for taking up the new responsibilities to be the directors, chairmen, and coordinators for the verticals of Shiro's. Thank you, Kaplaji. I would like to say a few words for Kaplaji before she leaves. Thank you, Kaplaji, for sharing your precious time and coming to our district to guide us. Seeing you today has motivated us, energized us to do better. We all know that you are in San Francisco, and yet you have taken out your precious time to be with us, to guide us forever. You are such a beautiful, graceful, dignified friend, teacher, and guide all in one.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
I always look forward to your guidance, and I hope for your support throughout the year. Thanks a ton, Kaplaji. I know you have reached the highest position, so now there's nothing more, but still, I would like to say a few lines for you. दिन के उजालों को रागों की जरूरत नहीं होती, जो खुद सूरज हो उसे रोशनी की जरूरत नहीं होती.
Thank you, dear. Thanks a lot.
Of course, all this is not in my goals, but being the program, being a part of District 311, I would like to.
Yes. When we see each other, we get carried away. Yeah. When we see each other, we get carried away.
So, of course, the goals I will explain, but it is really nice.
No, I'm here to listen to your goals also. I would like to stay on. That's okay. That would be a pleasure.
Thank you, Rashmi ji, for joining us today. You are a cheerful, a handbook person, a handbook of knowledge, always smiling. Your smile fills us with positivity. You have taken out a wonderful quiz book and the association history book. Congratulations for everything. And always your support and love for me. I feel that your support and love will carry my journey in a wheel without obstacles, without any hurdles. Thank you again for your love and support. This year, we have a very dynamic DC leader, Divya. She is focused and will take the flag of District 311 higher. We are happy to tell you that we have a very dedicated team of district officers, Renu, simple and sincere, Udita, dedicated and hardworking, Sandhya, meticulous, Neelu has done a wonderful job of maintaining accounts, Suruchi, the webmaster, and I'm sure she will be a great help in promoting e-learning, Manisha, graceful and sincere, I'm sure you will take out a wonderful souvenir, and a new addition to our team, Jyoti, we can already see her wonderful working today as she is the coordinator of this program. And of course, my dear PDCs who are always with me. And because of you, I have reached this position. For the PDCs, I would like to say, न चांद की चाहत, न तारों की फरमाइश, आप लोगों की दोस्ती, प्यार और आशीर्वाद, बस यही हमारी ख्वाहिश, बस यही हमारी ख्वाहिश. For throughout the year, I'm looking forward to your support, to your blessings, to your love. Thank you, PDCs, for being a part of our district. We are really proud of you. Friends, I know that the times that we are facing are challenging, but I believe it is important on this occasion to discover yourself, recognize your strengths, and put in your maximum efforts to achieve your goals and dreams. Strength does not come from winning. Your struggles develop your strengths. When you go through hardships and decide not to surrender, that is your strength. Long journeys begin with small steps. Start your small steps, and over a period of time, you yourself will realize how far a journey you have traversed. It is the thirst within which makes you win. No amount of water around you can make you win if you are not thirsty. You have to be thirsty to win, thirsty to succeed. Before I go ahead with my goals, I would like to tell you the present statistics of International Inner Wheel. I would like to share with you. You will be happy to know that International Inner Wheel is spread in 99 countries with 175 districts, 4,062 clubs, Total membership 1,07,200. So you can well imagine how far-flung and widespread our organization is. So holding a post at different levels at EC or at club level is really something to be proud of. And I know you all are very proud and very sincere to your post. This, can you share the screen? Just allow me, please.
Jyoti. Ma'am, you are co-host, you can.
Okay. This year's theme is given by IIW President Ebi Martini of Italy 2021-22 is Pink First, a beautiful theme given by her. Pink First is to uplift, upgrade, and empower the women of the world. Then the next project, before I further elaborate on it, I would like to show you this also, the social project for 3 years. It is always from convention to convention, strong woman, stronger world. So both the theme and the project is wonderful, and it is for ladies. So we are all ladies and we are really going to take this theme ahead. The theme Pink First is to uplift, upgrade, and empower the women of the world. Pink First means that women should be in the forefront, whether it is in the political, professional, or business line. Our first priority should be to attend to the needs of women, their health, their career, their education. We must see they are not exploited in homes and at offices. According to me, all women should be economically self-sufficient. Only when she is financially independent can she participate in decision-making, and then only will a woman's voice be heard. Our mission of gender equality and women empowerment needs constant, nourishing, active support, both moral and material, and we count on all of you to be the champions in this effort. Empower yourself to empower others. That to me is a life worth living. I'm very thankful that I have given, I'm very happy that the goals of this year, Shiro's given by me, is the same. It goes in parallel with the theme Pink First. Shiro's, the S word, the first letter S stands for Sri Shakti. Build, motivate, grow, empowering women, securing lives. The objective for this year will be dedicated to the superwoman in each one of us. For this, we will have enlightening sessions where we will share schemes related to loans, new laws related to women, how to take advantage of MSME, how to brand their products and company, how to sell their products on Amazon, and how to strike a balance between work and home. We will be focused and do everything to promote women entrepreneurship and thereby build a strong woman and a stronger world. As already told by Sonal, that this has always been the guiding, the leading point, or you may say, I've always taken it as a goal. As DC also, I tried to start Sri Shakti, this website, but although it didn't work that well, but we have always tried to promote women, their businesses. And for this, as I already told you, that we have every year we organize exhibitions where only ladies businesses are promoted. So this year, as association president, I will see that they are promoted and they become financially independent throughout in their lives. Our mission of gender equality and women empowerment needs constant nurturing and active support from all of you. So I'm looking forward to this. This is the main focus area. And I've also tried to collect all the data from all the districts all those who are all those ladies members who have small scale businesses. I'm taking out a directory of it, and I'm going to make an app which will be available to everyone, where you can search them either by their product or by their name or by their district. So it will be a great help and a support to them if we can buy from them, if we can promote them. Of course, it is written over there that I am not responsible for their sale, but I will definitely try to improve their sale and promote them so that they become independent and they have a say in their houses and outside also. Next projects are that I have taken are quite what the present need is. What is the present need of the country? It is not my goal or something. These are ongoing projects that I have chosen because environment, health, hygiene, ladies, sanitary napkins, all these things are ongoing projects. Just like Rotary, the project of polio, it was not done in a single day or in one year. It was a continuous process. So whatever we do for women, whether it is for their health, for the environment, for the education, these are ongoing projects, and we will try to see to their needs. Health, hygiene, and happiness. A mother's health is directly proportional to the child and hence the future. Surveys show that anemia is a major health problem in India. 52% of non-pregnant women of reproductive age are women. And this low iron deficiency, what does it happen? What happens when we are low in iron? It risks of preterm labor, low birth rate, maternal and infant mortality, and iron deficiency in infants also. So it is very important to see that the health, because mother and child, both their health depend on the good food they take. So we must health camps, whichever that we organize, we should see to this aspect also of their health. Roughly nearly 120 million this sanitary napkins last year also. I think 1 or 2 lakhs yesterday Sandhya Bhatt was showing how many sanitary napkins have been distributed, but still also we have to continue this program. Roughly nearly 120 million menstruating adolescents in India experience menstrual dysfunctions. Nearly 60,000, you can see the big figures. Cases of cervical cancer deaths are reported every year from India. Other health problems associated with menstrual hygiene are anemia, prolonged short periods, infections of reproductive tract, as well as psychological problems such as anxiety, embarrassment, and shame. Sanitary napkins are a luxury in rural areas and small towns, and only 12% are using it. There are various types of sanitary napkins now available in the market, which are biodegradable. Try to promote them: banana fiber pads, bamboo fiber pads, and water hyacinth pads. And we will also try to provide free sanitary napkins to the underprivileged girls and in the rural areas, and install sanitary napkin disposable machines, incinerators at offices and schools and wherever required. COVID-19 has taught us the importance of health and hygiene of masks and sanitizers is a must. We will try to donate life-saving machines to government hospitals whenever or wherever the need arises. Next is earth care, our environment, so very, very important. COVID-19, of course, is a health emergency, but it can also be accurately framed as a planetary health emergency. The havoc we have done to the environment needs redress. We have to take a pledge to plant at least 100 plants per club. And if there are roughly around 1,500, this figure is not actual, it is rough figure, individually by each club, then you can imagine how many trees can be planted in a single year. one tree can produce enough oxygen for 4 people to breathe. So if you plant trees, how much you will be doing for the environment, you can well imagine. It is not for me to tell you, you can well understand. Our small daily household activities like saying no to plastic bags, giving composting a try, rainwater harvesting, usage of solar energy will go a long way in making the earth a better place. Then like this, first is invest in rainwater harvesting. I will not go into the details of it. I've already shared with you. Air pollution is a big problem and powerhouses are a big source of air pollution. We are looking for alternative source of energy and the best is solar energy. And this we have abundance in India. That is the best part. Unlike fossil fuels, it will not run out of time. Unlimited source of clean energy, no fuel to burn, green source of energy, reduces carbon footprints, government promotes it. So you can see for yourself how many qualities and benefits we have if we promote solar energy. Give composting a try from kitchen waste to garden. This is what each of us can do. It is not any club or any particular person. It is a lady's job because the kitchen is waste is from her kitchen. So what we can do is from kitchen waste to garden. It reduces the amount of solid waste we produce and what eventually winds up in the local landfills. This compost is a great natural fertilizer, requires little space to be installed. So we can all have it, whether we are living in houses or in apartments. This small machine can be installed and we can use it. And in this way, we can tirelessly build back a better future for the upcoming generation. Next of heroes is refresh yourself with the 16th Triennial Conference. The name of the Triennial Conference is Envision 2K22 Think, Implement, Achieve on 11, 12, 13 February 2022 in your near neighboring district, Varanasi. So it will not be difficult for you all to travel and it will also be easy to coordinate over there. The conference Envision will give all of you a golden opportunity to empower yourself by learning, sharing experiences, and meeting the stalwarts of Inner Wheel. The conference will feature workshops, motivating programs, interactive sessions, quiz contests, and outstanding entertainment. Inspire club members to join in large numbers. It is your conference. It is not mine. It is ours. Make it a super hit by joining it, by going there in large numbers. Also, Varanasi has changed a lot in the past few years. It is not, it was 10 years back. Now it is well connected. The roads, the highways, are very good. The airport is multimodal. The conference hall, it has a seating of over 1,500. It has an auditorium, escalators, big lift, which can accommodate around, I think 20 people can be accommodated in that lift, and with a parking of 500 cars. So you can well imagine how big it is. And I'm sure that with the help of all of you, we will be able to organize a great and memorable conference over there. Next in the heroes is Oath to Assist Orphanages and Old Age Homes. This is not something to be taught. It is what our grandfathers and parents have been doing always. They have always gone to the office. धर्मशाला होते थे, पहले हम लोग धर्मशाला कहते थे, और ओल्ड एज होम्स होते थे, लेकिन वहां पे जा करके वो लोग खुद अपने आप से जा करके कुछ ना कुछ दे आते थे और लोगों को पता भी नहीं चलता था. तो दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट जहाँ पे आपको ज्यादा खर्चा करने की भी जरूरत है. देयर इज ओनली नीड टू गिव time, which is the most expensive in the present days. If you give time over there I'm sure you will bring a smile on someone's face. COVID-19, it has taught us the importance of family, and we are aware how happy we are when we are together. But COVID-19 has also left us with so many destitute, so many orphans, children without parents, and so many young children have died, and those parents have gone to old age homes. So go there, provide a school fee, educational fee, supplies, and sport equipments to orphanages. Become a personal advocate of a child through mentoring and fostering. You can even adopt a child. Adoption is not always legal. You can adopt a child by giving its fees throughout the year. So there are many ways in which you can help, which is the need of the hour after COVID. These things have become more important for us to follow and take care of. Next is e-learning. These are the things which have been taught in the last year. E-learning, how important it is. We are on laptop, we are on Zoom. So you can well imagine how important it is for the younger generation, for those who don't have laptop or smartphones, how much they need it in the present times. So what you can do, you can organize vocational courses for e-learning. You can organize workshops for adults for technical support and guidance, collect funds for helping e-learning in orphanages, donate smartphones, computers, and laptops to needy students. Volunteer your time to teach basic e-education to underprivileged students. Next, for E, I have 2 points. One is e-learning and the other is eradication of social evils. This is one of my prime focus area where you do not have to spend much, because I already have given a PPT. Divya, I think you have received it, a PPT on hazards of tobacco.
Yes.
So whoever you make as the coordinator of evils of tobacco, you can share the PPT with her, and any doctor who goes there, if the club has their own doctor, a member who is a doctor can go and show it over there. Of course, it has all the points, but if it wants any editing or if any doctor wants to add a few more points in it, she's most welcome. But I think mostly it has all the points, so you can share that PPT with them. So this is hazards of tobacco. We are launching a school health program on hazards of smoking and smokeless tobacco all over the country. You can see the figure for yourself when I read it out. It has been responsible for about 100 million deaths worldwide during the 20th century. And this is going to be 1 billion during the 21st century. 80% of these will be in the developing countries like India. Nearly 1 million Indians die of it every year. Unfortunately, 5 million children under the age of 15 years are addicted to tobacco. This program will target school children. School children, out of their curiosity, start as triers. Triers means they just try to. They see others smoking, they see actors and actresses smoking, and they try it. But what happens? Then they become occasional smokers and finally end up as addicts. So this is what it does to us, this nicotine addiction. Our attempt will be to save millions of lives by educating this young population about the hazards of tobacco to prevent these innocent children getting addicted. Next is spreading the wings of Innoville. This is the goal of each and every association president, that the clubs and the members increase and also retain. We also retain members. It is not only forming new clubs of 10, 12 members and then the next year or after that they die, they finish. But we must see that they start with at least 15 members so that they can continue. Spreading the wings of Innoville does not mean only adding new members and starting new clubs. Members joining, you should be very clear about it, should understand the meaning of friendship and service and what the organization stands for and how it is different from Kitty. You must explain them at the very beginning. Inner Wheel should become an household name which people remember for philanthropy, prosperity, and spreading love. Our attempt it should be that we bring Inner Wheel members, those who share with us the same qualities of philanthropy, kindness, and spreading love. Try to find like-minded people as you. This year, we will take the reputation and prominence of Inner Wheel to greater heights with more missions and result-driven activities. Dear friends, we need you. We need each one of you and all of your energy, passion, and talent. Let's join hands and take walks together to restore the faith in humanity and kindness. Friends, the success of International Inner Wheel this year is in your hands, and I will be counting on all of you to nurture and empower the future women entrepreneurs, making the women of India healthy and happy, Earth a better place to live in, Triennial a superhit, spreading smiles to orphans and old age homes, making people free from tobacco, and children eat technology friendly, and Inner Wheel a better, a larger, a more effective organization in the world. It is a weighty responsibility that rests on your shoulders, dear Divya and DC and all. But I have no doubt that you are equal to the task, or you would not be here today if that were not the case. Thank you for calling me to your district, to my district, sorry. And these are my goals, and I'm sure you will take them ahead. I'm full confidence in you, Divya, that although the work of yours will increase this year with the triennial, that is a big work, the big target for us to have a good conference and a memorable one. But I'm sure with your help, with the efforts of all the EC and the PGCs and the members, everything will be possible. I have 200% faith in all of you. Thank you all once again. Thank you.
Hello. Thank you, Sarojji. Thank you so much for the goals. आपने बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया अपने गोल्स को, और मैं तो कहती हूँ कि जो स्त्री शक्ति है उसके लिए जैसे आपने ऐप बनाने की बात की, तो लाइक दैट कि दिस इज द मिशन ऑफ सरोज, मिशन सरोज स्त्री शक्ति, और सारे एरियाज को आपने कवर किया है, और जितने भी हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट ईसीज हैं, पीडीसीज हैं, मुझे लगता है सभी इस बात से पूरी तरह से एग्री करते हैं कि ये गोल्स जो हमारा इनर व्हील काम कर रहा है, क्योंकि इनर व्हील एक ऐसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है which is for the women, of the women, by the women, तो हम लोग डेफिनेटली काम करेंगे, एंड डेफिनेटली फॉर द ट्राइनियल मोटिवेट कर रहे हैं लोगों को, और जो गोल्स आपने बताए हैं उसको सभी पूरा करने की, सभी फुलफिल करने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे. नाउ protocol and inner wheel constitution is very important. Before inviting Rashmi Sharma, I would like to call PDC Mahima ji for giving the introduction of Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Association CCCC.
Divya, can I share the screen? Disable करा हुआ है.
नहीं, अच्छा, just a minute. ज्योति,
मैम करती हूँ. Yes, मैम कर दें.
हाँ.
Wait, only 1 second.
Okay.
Ma'am, you can share now.
Okay. Disable आ रहा है अभी भी. ऐसे ही पढ़ दो, डिसेबल आ रहा है, शेयर हो नहीं रही है.
Ma'am, आप co-host हैं, you can share your screen. Wait, let me check once more.
बट मेरे साइड से डिसेबल आ रहा है.
मैम आप देख
ओके, हो गया. हो गया. थैंक यू.
वेलकम.
One second. Just a minute. Share. Okay. Thanks, Divya, for giving me this opportunity to read out the biodata of our ever smiling and dynamic past association president, Dr. Rashmi Sharma ji. Dr. Rashmi Sharma was born in Etawah, Uttar Pradesh, was brought up the city of Prem, Mumbai in IIT Princess. Dr. Rashmi Sharma is a qualified professional with MCom and PhD. She is also NET/SET qualified teacher at Senior College and Research Guide. She started her journey in Innerville in 1994 at Innerville Club of Bhusawal. She was Club Secretary 97, 98 and 2003 and 4. She got Best Secretary Award 97 and 98. She was Club President 99, 2000. She became the first editor of Club and brought out the first Club bulletin Sneha. She was the District Conference Secretary. During her tenure as President, she organized Entrepreneur Development Forum for unemployed youth and women. She also published the history as editor in the Silver Jubilee year. In the Silver Jubilee year, she was an honor active member. In the district level, Dr. Rashmi Sharma joined District 303 EC in 2004 and 5. She held the post of district editor in the same year. She published colored newsletter for each members of the district for the first time. Was district vice chairman in 2008 and 9. She was the polio committee chairman, made polio Geet Mala on folk music. Was district chairman in 2009 and 10. Was district ESO. She started 2 new clubs. She was district CCCC 2016 to 2019. IAW Constitution. IAW Constitution and Handbook in Hindi was published. Increased second highest number of members in the association. She held the post as Association Secretary in 2010 and 11. Her achievements are soft copy of Association Directory for the first time. She was Association Vice President 2013 and 14. Was Association President 2014 and 15. At present, she is Association CCCC from 2019 till 22. Her achievements as Association President, she opened 71 clubs, celebrated Golden Jubilee of IW in India, named Darpan. 2 members received Margaret Oliver Golden Award during her tenure. 205 members attended convention, initiated and started Teach program in association with Rotary. She compiled, edited and released association history book. She released special postal envelope and stamps. She compiled and edited guidelines book for district chairmen, association secretary and association treasurer. Her other achievements are attended Copenhagen IAW convention, spoke on empowerment of women through financial independence, sent till date more than 75 proposals for IAW Constitution Handbook and Association Bylaws, attended 6 triennials, 3 South Asia rallies. She was advisor for national meet at Udaipur held in November 19. She was national chairman of Mission Mamta, Orphan Free India. She was trainer at IIW level. At present, her achievement as association CCCC 2019 till 22. She introduced constitution chairman at club level. She released inaugural quiz book, made association guidelines. She was also been a Rotarian. She joined Rotary Club of Bhusawal in August 1995, was club secretary in 2000 to 2001, club president in 2004 and 5, and she held all the posts of Rotary Club of Bhusawal. Her involvement and achievements in Rotary, both at club level and district level, received all applause. She is happily married to past District Governor Rajiv Sharma ji, who is a 4th level major donor. Whole family is PHF. Her daughter Mahima, studying in engineering 2nd year. She is active in Intract and Rotary Club. She is a Rotary Youth Exchange student. Dr. Rashmi Sharma's mother-in-law was a charter member of Inner Wheel Club of Bhusawal, and her father-in-law was Rotarian for 2 decades. As she rightly believed in, enjoy what you do with a big smile. This was a brief introduction of Mrs. Rashmi Sharma. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mahima ji.
Thanks, Divya.
Thank you so much for introducing our guest of honor, Dr. Rashmi Sharma. Now, I would like to call Dr. Rashmi Sharma, a knowledgeable personality, to guide us on this very important topic. Dr. Rashmi Sharma.
Thank you. Thank you, Mahima ji, for the lovely introduction. I would like to tell this that this PPT was prepared last year, started by PDC Naveen ji of District 311 when she had asked me for some photographs, and she wanted to make a PowerPoint. But at that time, I did not have so many photographs. So मैंने उनको जितने थे भेज दिए, and then she later on told me I would like to do it, and I took the idea and I made this PPT because I rarely have photographs of myself. So वो एक डाल दिया है so that anybody wants to take out some photograph from that, they can definitely take it out. But thank you so much, Mahima ji, for this introduction. And dear District Chairman Udita, my mentor in association level, past IIW president Dr. Kapila ji, and she's still there. जब वो president थी तब मैं secretary थी उनकी, and वो इतनी जल्दी काम कराती थी. I mean, I really didn't know how to cope up with her speed, but yes, I did try to manage. Hope so I had. Then your incoming association president, the Ukta Suraj Saroj Katiyar ji, whom I was introduced when she was the chairman during Patricia's time as an AP, and I've seen her working. And I really have seen that when we talk about, telling me to talk about the constitution, how should one function properly? I think Saroj ji, you can learn from there, your own district. There she is working very properly, correspondence, communication, everything. Incoming DC, Divya. And then Divya Jyoti. From Divya to Jyoti, we have all the executive committee members. Renu, Sandhya, Neelu, Suruchi, Manisha. I hope I've not forgotten anybody's name. Then you also have lovely PDCs who I have been meeting many times. Is of course Naveen ji, Vinod ji. She just entered. I saw, I admitted her as a co-host. Lata ji, Pinky Bansal ji, who's from Hathras, and one of my relative, Anurag Upadhyay, is a very active Rotarian from Hathras. I don't know how we are related, बहुत दूर से है, but somewhere we are very related, very close to each other. Then Meena Sharma, my own DC Kamal Mehra, I think she has not come. I was trying to find her name. Pratibha Mehrotra, Sadhna, yeah, and with all these PDCs, I hope I'm not forgetting anybody, but one person I will always remember is my batchmate as a DC, Nisha Ghai. And it really makes me feel sad when I think that Nisha is no more. She was a great person, a great asset to your district, I would like to say, and a great friend of mine, always helpful. And she has accompanied me many times from Delhi to Bareilly and Delhi to Nainital when we had the AC meeting when I was the association president. And it's again a pleasure to be there because, see, basically I am a UPite, but though I've never been in UP, that's a different issue. I belong to this Kanpur area, Bojha village. So my surname was Ojha, so we would call ourselves Bojha ke Ojha. So that's how our relation is there. But I have always been in Mumbai or Bhusawal after that. And today I'm again in 311 and I'm here to speak on protocol and constitutional working of the district. I'll first start with the protocol. I can share, right? See, whenever you talk about protocol, everybody gets tensed up. I don't know, especially in inner wheel, जब भी प्रोटोकॉल की बात करते तो थोड़ा टेंशन सा आ जाता है कि क्या करना, कैसे करना, how will we do it, where to stand, from where will this person enter, where will this person sit, whom should I invite earlier. ये डर लगा रहता है. But you know, we are ladies. हमारे मायके के प्रोटोकॉल अलग होते हैं and then we adjust to the ससुराल वालों के प्रोटोकॉल. So protocol is nothing but just understanding how the organization is functioning. Let me tell you, the protocol in my college is different from the protocol at my inner wheel or maybe say in my home. So, but we have to adapt ourselves and it is not very difficult. अगर घर की परिस्थितियों को अगर हम देखते हैं, सोचते हैं, we try to understand that पाँव किसके सबसे पहले छूने हैं. दादा दादी याद है तो दादाजी के पाँव छूने हैं, then दादी के, then ताऊ जी के, then ताई जी के. You know, this is how you.
Ma'am, unmute yourself. You have been muted from your side.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is all about protocol, which we should try to understand. Now, what is protocol? Protocol is a combination of many things. I was trying to find out the actual word in Hindi also. Please see, you will see Hindi also because today I am going to give the same presentation in my district on protocol in the evening. So in my district, we generally talk in Hindi or Marathi basically. So when you talk about protocol, it's a combination of etiquettes, जिसको हम शिष्टाचार कहते हैं, the procedures which we follow. Like you can say the agenda, the procedure of conducting a meeting is the agenda. These are the procedures. How you welcome a person. What do you do? Wear a collar. Isn't it? Then there are certain principles which we follow. Tattva hai, niyam hai, which we follow. Moral codes of conduct. What is right, what is wrong in inner wheel. We should understand. Vinamrata, the courtesies which we extend to each other. Then the customs which we have been following. See, lighting of the lamp is nowhere, but we don't start a program without lighting of the lamp. It's only in our country or maybe Bangladesh or Nepal, I don't know, because I have not traveled so much to their functions. But yes, this is what I can understand. Then the traditions which we have been following, they might not be in the rule book, but yes, you have been following. And then there are certain formalities which we do. All these together make up the protocol. In any organization or any unit, could be a family also. But why protocol is necessary? You know, after staying in inner wheel or being active in inner wheel, when you go to the other programs of certain mandals, at that time you find that you don't enjoy them because what you're missing is the grace, the shobhit pana, you can say, or sundarta, the beauty or the dignity or the garima and the order or the discipline or the way of doing things. And these all things make inner wheel different from others. So the protocol's importance comes from there. So that is all we have to understand. Now that When you talk about protocol, you know that Innerville functions at 4 levels: international, national, we say association, district, and clubs. Now, when we talk about protocol, so Dadaji comes first, like the international Innerville comes first. All right, and then you go to the association, district, and the clubs. Now, that is in general about the levels we are talking about. But when we talk about within the level, then there is also protocol within the level. At the international level, when we talk about, then we have the president first, vice president, immediate past president, treasurer, CCC, who has now become a part of the IIWEC, and the board director, right? So now within the international level, this is the protocol, how you're going to invite. The next is the association, then the vice president, immediate past president, honorary secretary, and honorary treasurer. Okay, then we talk about the district. I don't think I need to tell you, district chairman se shuru hota and ends to the district editor. So in that process only you call first the chairman, then the vice chairman. This procedure you know of calling, inviting. And then at the club level also, you all have been in the clubs, very well aware of it, from the president to the CC, club correspondent, right? So now, in general, after that, when you invite or you call, are the past officers of IIW, association, district, and club, again in the same manner. And then Rotarians and other dignitaries. So this is all should be kept in mind, the level from international to the clubs, and then from the president to the last level in the executive. Now protocol, that's why, is observed at each level and within each level also. Protocol basically is followed by sitting arrangement, how you sit, addressing, then visit of the dignitaries when they are coming, and the correspondence. So they are basically for these 4 things. Now sitting arrangement, you know, when you have dinner or lunch at the place, the karta of the family, the head of the family, sits in the middle. Even if some guest comes from other place, he or she sits besides the karta but does not sit in the middle. So sitting arrangement, you have to keep that in mind, the karta of the level. It could be the club level, district level, association level, or national you would say, or the IIW level. So as per the protocol, president presides the meeting and president sits in the middle. And if there's a chief guest, so on one side there's a chief guest, and if you have guest of honor also, then on the other side that guest of honor will sit. Beside them will be the immediate past president. If the district chairman is on a visit, we generally we can keep the district immediate past president, and on the other side we are the vice president and the secretary. We need not keep so many executive members, all of them on the dais, क्योंकि वो इतना भर जाता है कि नीचे कम लोग होते हैं, ऊपर ज़्यादा लोग हो जाते हैं. And now with clubs being formed with very few members, it is better कि immediate vice president को भी हटा दिया जाए, क्योंकि at my time when I used to hold the OCVs हमारे यहाँ होती थी, तो it used to be only the president, secretary and chairman. That is also more than enough, depending upon how many members you have in the club. But don't make it totally filled. That dais को fill करना जरूरी नहीं है. So chairman during her visit is the chief guest. You have to remember. और कोई भी होगा, maybe the association president or what. But during her visit generally वो आते नहीं हैं. They are the guest of honor. Or maybe there's a function, they can be. Place of honor has to be given. उसी club में अगर if there's some district EC or some other district ECs accompany the chairman, then you should give her place on the dais. Other EC members of the club can sit on the first row. Immediate past president, I recommend, should during only the district chairman's visit, should sit on the dais, or else she can sit down in the first row. You can instead have a project chairman. That all depends on you. So that is all you have to keep in mind. At the district level also, same procedure is followed. But yeah, at the district level generally, all sit on the dais, starting with the chairman, then the vice chairman, AC member, secretary, treasurer, ESO, ISO, editor. This is how you follow it. And if the association president is present on official visit, she is the chief guest and she sits besides or you can say in between the district chairman and the AC member. And if you have a guest of honor, they will sit beside the district chairman, between the district chairman and the district vice chairman. So these things, because every time they say where to sit, where should we make them sit? Simple. Very, very simple. So, as I said, the association president during her visit is the chief guest. Other dignitaries could be sitting in the first row. जैसे past and present association officers हो गए, या district EC members or the past district chairman, and the Rotary governor. So at all club level, the president will chair. At the district level, the district chairman will preside, and she must be addressed first. Like today at this Doti, Udita is the district chairman, so we are all addressing her first, even before the chief guest Sarojji and Kapilaji. Actually, that is how it is. Now, how to address them? So first, when you address them, then you address the whosoever, then the chief guest, who could be at the club level, the district chairman or whosoever. Okay, and then that's how it is followed. Especially when the district chairman is at her official visit, she is the chief guest. You don't need to have any guest of honor along with her, because that day you are giving the day to the district chairman. किसी और को बुलाना chairman का दिन है in that club, so किसी को बुलाना यानी diversion of your efforts also. And साल में एक ही बार वो एक official visit के लिए आती है, whole attention should be given to her. And कई बार वो काफी दूर से आती है. I know your district is widespread. From Delhi to Bareilly itself, it takes me 7 hours. So that's quite a lot, you know. Like my district also. तो दूर दूर जाना पड़ता है. वो आपसे मिलने आती है. Don't dilute it. Okay. So all at the district functions also, district chairman is in the chair. You could have other chief guest or guest of honor. Other dignitaries, whoever are there, will be addressed only after her. And generally, the official visit of the association president is during the district assembly or the district conference. And at that time, she is the chief guest. And all inner-wheel dignitaries have to be addressed first before the Rotary dignitaries. We get overwhelmed. हम एकदम जोश में आ जाते हैं Rotarians को देख के, and then we start addressing them before our dignitaries. Don't do that. They never forget कि Rotary को पहले बोलना है, inner-wheel को छोड़ देना है या बाद में लेना है. So similarly, we should also try to do like that. It is not a tit for tat, but this is the protocol. Similarly, when somebody is visiting your club or district, full honor should be given. When the chairman is coming for her visit, it is compulsory for the president to go and receive her. She cannot say, मैं जरा busy हूँ, तुम चली जाओ ना मेरी जगह, उनको अच्छे से receive करने, ये फूल ले जाओ, ये ले जाओ. No, it is your duty. You have to manage your time in such a way that the club president should receive her. And district chairman should also see to it that the president receives her. I feel to keep up the dignity of the chairman or respect, that should be done. And when the association president is coming, then the district chairman should go. And if it is organized by 2-3 lead clubs, then their president should also accompany. Like during the West Zone meet, some members accompanied our district chairman that time. I think Kapilaji was also there present. So to receive her to Aurangabad, my district chairman had also gone there to receive her. That is compulsory. Same should be followed in seeing her off. आई तो जोश रहता है, जाते समय हम सब अपनी हंसी खुशी में रह जाते हैं, क्या बढ़िया फंक्शन रहा, क्या बढ़िया फंक्शन हुआ, and then you generally forget the district chairman or the associate, whatever. So this thing should not happen. जितने प्यार से रिसीव किया गया है उतने ही प्यार से सी ऑफ करना चाहिए, as per the protocol what we say. You know, in where I stay in Maharashtra, I am used to, when a guest comes and goes, I keep my door open. I'm standing at the gate till that person doesn't vanish it. Here, I see that once I say bye, they close the door and get inside. You know, खटकता है थोड़ा कि ये कैसा है. तो ये औपचारिकता, when we talk about courtesies and all, till the guest doesn't go away, पूरी इज्जत के साथ उसे जाने दो, and then only you come back. टाइम मैनेज करना आपके हाथ में है. Similarly, correspondence करते समय the member should approach the club. When I say club, मतलब club president. Then the club president will approach the district. District will go to the association. District chairman को हम bypass नहीं कर सकते. It will go to the association, and from association it will go to the IIW. And similarly it will come like that. इससे क्या रहता है, एक control रहता है, because so many letters will be issued from anywhere to everybody. The person at the highest level is going to go crazy. So it is always that from the member it should go to the club. अगर club ISO का इससे related कुछ है तो club ISO will contact the district ISO. If that not done, then from the district ISO to the district chairman, and then from there. But you can't go directly to the association from the club or the district to the IIW. तो ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए. The chain should not be broken any time. Impression खराब पड़ता है. So no official communication is allowed by bypassing the lines of communication. Do not write directly to IIW. Messages वगैरह IIW president is smart enough कि time पे messages भेज देती है to district chairman. Contact the district chairman and she will get the work done. So the district chairman should know कि भाई मुझे मिलना चाहिए so that I can give it to the clubs. And don't ask for any event and every event from the IIW president. India के बनते हैं तो we do take the privilege and advantage or whatever, but in general that is not appreciated. And sending biotas to me. Fine, I really appreciate their enthusiasm, because now with the technology, anybody can approach anybody fast, and somehow or the other they get the numbers. But in general, when I remember as a club president, I did not even have the guts to call the district chairman just for the heck of it. डर लगता था कि डांट पड़ जाएगी, because थर-थर कांपते थे, and there was only landline and no mobiles. So, but nowadays they directly approach the association or the IIW. If you have personal relations, then be personal relation. Don't talk about inner wheel. But if you are talking about inner wheel, better follow the protocol. And you should know, friendship is something else. The level of the person. Now, Saroj ji आपके district की हैं, वो कितनी भी friendly होगी, but she is the incoming association president. उनका औहदा और उनका जो status है, we have to remember that and accordingly talk to her, even though she may be belonging to your district. So that matters. Like I said, complaint letters or any letter, don't anonymous letter, बिना नाम के लिख देते letter. हिम्मत है तो नाम लिख के भेजो. What I mean to say is that. Then also some things you must realize that I think you all must be knowing that we are inner wheel members, not inner wheelers. वो Rotarians से हम inner wheelers कर देते हैं. We are district chairman and not chairperson या chair. आजकल तो और भी short कर दिया chair. The letterhead and banners, logos, अगर constitutionally function करना है, should have to be in the appropriate color. Club का royal blue है, district का light blue है, with golden colors of course. You have to be very particular about that. कुछ भी color change हम नहीं कर सकते. Letterhead पे what all will come. In that I would like to say it is concerned with constitution. The international inner wheel logo, which is very dear to us. हमें तो कहीं भी गोल दिखता तो लगता है कि inner wheel logo लगा दो वहाँ पे. So inner wheel logo, the service project logo, like we say strong women and stronger world. Then theme of IIW, ये होना जरूरी है. If there are any other themes or something given by the association, like maybe Saroj ji has given Shiros and all, don't put that on the top. Yes, that is for you to remember the project she has told. So you can put it somewhere down or something like that, but not on the main letterhead. So that you all should avoid that, because as per the IIW constitution also, these three things, inner wheel logo, theme, as well as social project have to be highlighted. And then of course you know what names and all you have to put. Nowadays there's another controversy of whether CCC's name of the club at the club level will come or not. She is not a part of the executive, so you need not put it. Envelopes also should have the name of the person to whom by whom it has been sent. The collar should be navy blue for the club level and for the district light blue. Nowadays, I have seen in my district what happened. They ordered for the collar. कॉलर ऑर्डर करने के बाद देखा तो सबके नीले पे पीली पट्टी थी. The strip over there that was for the golden clubs chairman presidents. तो ये चीज अवॉइड करनी चाहिए. पता होना चाहिए कि कौन से कलर का कॉलर आना है, स्पेशली फॉर द ट्रेजरर हु ऑर्डर्स इट. You should. I told my treasurer, you should have returned it. She said, मुझे पता ही नहीं था. So, and people, all the club presidents were wearing it and roaming around in the district conference, and we were all quite surprised. ये कहाँ से आ गया? And when you preside, then you wear the collar. खाते पीते बैठ के उसको collar पहनने की जरूरत नहीं. It is not a jewelry. It has to be kept in honor. Lapel pin should be worn. Prayer हमारे लिए जरूरी हर जगह नहीं होता है, but that's why I say प्रथा, parampara, whatever which we call it as, the traditions. So these things accordingly, we start with the inaugural prayer. Never say my secretary. It is the club secretary or the district secretary. And don't impose yourself on others is another protocol which everybody should know. This mainly happens by many people who go, especially the club level, उनको बताना पड़ता है. One lady was there. Bhusawal is a place, a big junction जहाँ पे the train stop for a long time. So one ISO, you would cross through Bhusawal and send a message to my club ISO, please मुझसे मिलने आ जाना. She knew मिलने आ जाना मतलब डब्बा लेके आ जाना. My club ISO after 3 times got so fed up that she stopped picking up the phone. So these things should not happen. You should never become a burden. Friendship burden कभी नहीं बननी चाहिए. Inner wheel should never become a burden. So that is how what you all should take care. And these all were the parts relating to the protocol. And hope I have been able to explain to you nicely or properly. Thank you so much. Divya, should I go ahead with the inner wheel constitution? You are muted.
Yes, Rashmi Sharma ji, please go for constitution.
Okay.
Hello.
I hope I'm not speaking too fast because I felt maybe, I hope my speed is proper.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. So now functioning of district constitutionally. Just like protocol is necessary, even working as per the constitution rules, principles or procedures is very, very important because you are guiding the clubs. If you do not function constitutionally, how can you expect the clubs to function constitutionally? So that is why it is very important that your district should function properly as per the constitution and bylaws. We know that Inner Wheel is the world's largest voluntary non-governmental women's organization. And we are in more than 100 countries. I think it's 103 or 4 is always a controversy, so I did not take the exact number. Since 96 we have been functioning, 96 years. It is not a small period. 96 years तक survive करना या survive के साथ grow भी करना, it's not easy जब तक हम rules and regulations के हिसाब से नहीं चलेंगे. So we function basically, हमारी जो गीता है is the IIW Constitution and Handbook जो हमारे पास है, उसके अंडर में आते हैं the Association Bylaws, District Committee Rules and Club Rules. It is our duty, ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है that we follow these 2 books. इसके beyond we should not go. We can't make our rules. We are serving for our organization. तो उस रूल के बाहर हमें we should never go. What is a constitution? अगर Inner Wheel के अंदाज से देखा जाए, नजर से देखा जाए, so it's a written document, that book, blue one, जिसको हम blue book कहते हैं. In general, I think मैं जब secretary थी तब मेरे district chairman ने टोका था कि no Rashmi, I was the club secretary, इसको blue book नहीं बोलते हैं, it is the constitution and handbook. तब भी मुझे समझ में नहीं आया था, मेरे लिए तब भी काफी साल तक वो blue book ही रहा. So I can understand that, but yes, now I understand that why it should be told as constitution and handbook. Okay, वो नीली किताब करते करते we keep on going हरी and नीली. what they have we do not realize. So it's a written document of basic principles or laws जो establish किए गए हमारी functioning के लिए. पुराने चीजों का उदाहरण लेके we have been trying to improve upon ourselves. They also talk about the powers and duties of the governing bodies at various level. एंड इट्स नॉट दैट वो चेंज नहीं होते, चेंज होते हैं. दैट्स ऐसे पुराने लोगों के एग्जांपल्स लेके, पुरानी चीजों के एग्जांपल्स लेके वी चेंज इट एट द कन्वेंशन बाय 2/3 मेजॉरिटी. इसी के अंतर्गत वी हैव दिस बायलॉज बुक. वी कैन नॉट गो बियॉन्ड द IIW कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. जैसे बाय प्रोडक्ट होता है, वी हैव द बायलॉज. Okay, so these bylaws are applicable at the association, district committee and club. It's a rule which controls the way an organization, that is INAVIL, will function at the national level board. India में कैसे चलता है INAVIL is different, but it is not beyond IIW constitution. So again this too is changed. सरोज जी के समय when you are going to have the triennial, again business session में proposals जो आए हैं they will be read and you can change it by passing it by 2/3 majority. जनरल बताने के लिए अगर जाऊं कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या होता है, यू ऑल नो कि यू नीड 4 क्लब्स टू फॉर्म अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट. आपका डिस्ट्रिक्ट तो 90 क्लब्स हैं, कितने बन सकते हैं? यू कैन जस्ट इमेजिन 490 डिवाइड बाय 4 कर दो, कितने डिस्ट्रिक्ट आप ही की जगह पे शुरू कर सकते हैं. सो 4 मिनिमम चाहिए, बट इन इंडिया वी आर यूज्ड टू पॉपुलेशन, सो हमें जितने 90 100 हमको अपने चलते. Then the governing body is very very important, which consists of district executive committee and the club voting delegates, जिसको हम district committee कहते हैं. एक और चीज जो बहुत important है to remember is that किसी क्लब से 2 members से ज्यादा you cannot have in the district EC in a particular INAVIL year. Okay, ये इससे होता है कि किसी क्लब की मोनोपोली ना हो पाए. I think that must have been the reason. And another thing is that अगर IPDC, DC एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइस चेयरमैन 3 लोग हैं, तो उसमें से कोई भी 2 कैन नॉट बिलोंग टू द सेम क्लब. सो दैट मीन्स यू नो कि इफ समबडी हैज पास्ड हैज गॉट इलेक्टेड, तो उसके 2-3 साल बाद ही अप्लाई करना. अदरवाइज व्हाट हैपेंस इज डिस्ट्रिक्ट में यू टेक देम एंड फाइनली यू रियलाइज ड्यूरिंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट IPDC जो है वहीं की तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन बने, वाइस चेयरमैन बने, अब क्या करें? इट हैज हैपेंड इन मेनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स इंक्लूडिंग माय डिस्ट्रिक्ट. So that becomes an embarrassing position, because after serving in the district of 2-3 years, वो lady does not want to go out of the district, and then where to adjust her. So see to it that these things do not happen. And one more thing is that some district executive members do take up the post, but they always have some excuses of not attending it. So you should remember that किसी ने 2 continuously district executive committee miss की या meetings miss की हैं, तो दैट मीन्स उसमें वेकेंट हो जाता है एंड यू कैन अपॉइंट समबडी एल्स. नॉट ओनली दैट, इफ बाय चांस इफ अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट एग्जीक्यूटिव कमिटी मेंबर इज एब्सेंट, इज नॉट एबल टू अटेंड अ मीटिंग, शी शुड सेंड अ लेटर ऑफ अपॉलॉजी along with her report. That is the requirement. क्योंकि रिपोर्ट कैसे पता चलेगा उसने क्या काम किया है? तो इतना तो वो कर सकती, नहीं आ रही तो नहीं आ रही, बट अपॉलॉजी तो भेजे, courtesy. And best is when you have correspondence. I know हमारे समय तो हार्ड कॉपी चिट्ठियां चलती थी, बट नाउडेज ईमेल्स आर देयर, व्हाट्सएप है देयर. डू नॉट यूज व्हाट्सएप. एनी फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन यू डू इट थ्रू ईमेल. व्हाट्सएप में मैसेज इतना पीछे चला जाता है कि ढूंढना मुश्किल हो जाता है, एंड वो कई बार गायब भी हो जाता है. एंड ईमेल इज गुड, सो बेटर सेंड बाय email. Never use, we always say in the association also we have decided that WhatsApp is not an official means of communication. WhatsApp can be used कि भाई चिट्ठी ईमेल भेजा चेक कर लेना. You know, we have to send because people do not see emails. So that for that it is. Then the INAVIL logo, अब मैं पहले ही बता चुकी हूँ, 3 लोगो है, INAVIL है. Then अगले साल का जो थीम है पिंक फर्स्ट, ये बहुत जरूरी है. And strong women and stronger world. These 3 things should be there in banners, letterheads, printed matter. लोगो तो यू नो रॉयल ब्लू एंड गोल्ड है ही है. बैनर्स also should have that. Any printed material for that matter, if you are having a conference or the triennial or whatever, उसमें ये तीनों लोगो रहने जरूरी है. And you don't add कि ये डिजाइन अच्छा नहीं चल रहा, मैं इसको सुधार दूं. This is not allowed. So you have to be very particular about that. Then district executive committee pins and badges light blue color के होते हैं. And the collar also, she should wear, all the district EC members should wear their pins during the meetings, official meetings and events. The collar is light blue. यहाँ से blue लग रहा है, but you all must be knowing even in your district, we all have the names of the PDCs who have served as a district chairman along with the year. तो सारे नाम भी लग रहे थे. I could not get a photograph except of myself, तो मैं डाला नहीं. And every meeting starts by wearing a collar. You know, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि चेयरमैन बोलती है मैं तो कॉलर घर पे ही भूले. तो दैट शुड नॉट हैपन. वो कॉलर के बिना हमें फिर से प्रोटोकॉल के वजह मजा नहीं आता है. सो ऑलवेज बी वेरी पर्टिकुलर. एक पाउच में रख दो, ट्रैवल पैक में या पर्स में, द कॉलर एंड योर बैच. फॉर एनी एग्जीक्यूटिव मेंबर ऑल्सो दैट इज एप्लीकेबल. देन देयर आर 3 डिस्ट्रिक्ट मीटिंग्स विच आर कंपल्सरी, जो कि है डिस्ट्रिक्ट असेंबली, कॉन्फ्रेंस एंड रैली. जैसा कि डॉक्टर कपिला was saying that the business session should be given importance during the district assembly and district conference. क्या होता है रैली में, तो we have all the dances, competitions, fun, fellowship सब हो जाता है. तो why not keep this as a very graceful official event of district assembly and conference, जहाँ business session में you know report तो फटाफट पढ़ लेते, फिर बोलते अच्छा dance competition. I think that should be avoided. I agree with Kapila ji. And association president will be present either at the district assembly or the district conference. तो ध्यान रखना है, उसके हिसाब से उसकी गरिमा रखनी है. Others also you have the district events like intra district, that is within the district. ISO meet हो सकता है, intercity zonal meets हैं, district seminars हैं, and you can also have inter district meets. Nowadays it has been discussed because we do have zonal meets. So that is why इसका importance अभी कम होता जा रहा है. But basically they are there to foster friendship beyond your district. बहुत बहुत जरूरी है. Then regarding the ECs, जो असेंबली कॉन्फ्रेंस की बात करते हैं, उसका सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है वो जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट EC मीटिंग एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिटी मीटिंग्स. असेंबली और कॉन्फ्रेंस से पहले EC मीटिंग्स होती ही होती है. And of course you have other executive committee meetings also, but वहाँ तो होती है, because minimum 2 are compulsory to be taken. Generally as I said before district assembly or conference होती है, जिसका agenda 30 दिन पहले भेजा जाता है मीटिंग के, and 30% is the quorum, कि इतने लोग तो होने चाहिए. अगर quorum नहीं है तो again it is adjourned for 30 minutes and again we reassemble for the meeting. And who attends is the district executive committee. डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिटी मीटिंग्स भी 2 होनी चाहिए मिनिमम, दूसरे भी हो सकते हैं. एंड दैट डिस्ट्रिक्ट असेंबली में होता है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस में होता है. एंड सेम विद द एजेंडा एंड कोरम. एजेंडा 30 डेज पहले भेजा जाता है एंड कोरम इज 30%. एंड इफ नोबडी इज प्रेजेंट अगेन एडजॉर्न करके रीअसेंबल करते हैं. पोस्टल वोट मस्ट बी फॉर इंपॉर्टेंट रिकमेंडेशन. बैठ के 30% लोगों ने डिसाइड किया, 25% लोगों ने डिसाइड किया इज नॉट राइट. एंड हु अटेंड्स द district committee, that's district EC and the club voting delegates. Others are also present, like PDCs भी present रहते हैं हमारे यहाँ तो, and दूसरे members वो कुछ बोलते नहीं हैं, because that is they do not have they can't propose a second, so that is there. Then कई बार जरूरत पड़ती है जल्दी से कुछ मुद्दों के लिए, कुछ important issues के लिए to have a special district executive committee meeting. So district chairman could call it, or 2 district executive members could request that we want to have this meeting, and you have to have a notice of at least 4 days. 30 days की जरूरत नहीं है, 4 days. Then again special is the district EC. और वैसे ही एक्स्ट्रा हमको कुछ करना है तो there's extraordinary district committee meeting, जो 2/3 majority of club जब बुलाए तब होती है. एंड अगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन ने बात नहीं सुनी तो रिक्वेजिशन जिन्होंने की, रिक्वेस्ट की है, वो खुद बुला सकते हैं. सो दिस यू हैव, वो क्या मुद्दे पे बोलने वाले, दैट आल्सो इज रिटन डाउन इन द रिक्वेजिशन. 3 चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहती है. आई थिंक कपिला जी आल्सो मेंशन्ड अबाउट द एजेंडा which is prepared by the district secretary in consultation with the district chairman and circulated 30 days before. बहुत जरूरी है ये करना. Then reports by district executive committee members and minutes which are to be written and circulated within 30 days by the district secretary, but only after showing it to the district chairman. यानी जिम्मेदारी सिर्फ सेक्रेटरी की भी नहीं होती है, it is of the district chairman also, because she is there to see whether it is right or wrong. Now agenda means it's a structured format of the points to be discussed in the meeting or how it is going to be conducted. They are the usual formalities, as you know, meeting call to order, prayer, greetings, minutes, or the previous meeting confirmation, then updated finance, reports by all district EC members, important matters are discussed, resolutions are made, announcements are made, and finally, vote of thanks. Now, why is it important? Why is the agenda important? Is because it helps in planning the meeting. When you prepare an agenda ना कुछ कुछ चीजें ध्यान आती है. अगर agenda ना prepare करो ना तो मुश्किल होता है conduct करना भी. So that is why agenda should be prepared. Track पे रखने के लिए भी कि सही दिशा में जा रहा है meeting also, you have to have the agenda. It also helps in optimum utilization of time. जैसा today you have made the agenda and said 20 minutes to Rashmi Sharma. Maybe she exceeds the time, but anyway, but you know it's 20 minutes for Rashmi Sharma. So, and then it makes the minutes preparation easier. उसी की क्रम से minutes prepare होते हैं, and everybody knows मुझे कब बोलना है और कब कब चीज पे मैं बोलूंगी. These are the two things also which everybody comes to know. Similarly, minutes, whatever happens in the meeting is recorded. वो future reference के भी काम आता है. When I made my history book of the club, I had this club minutes book in my hand. Similarly, when I made a district history book, that time also I had the minutes of the district committee meetings and executive committee meetings. समझ में आता था कौन सा क्लब आया, कौन सा क्लब गया. Many things you come to know. Birthdays पता चलते हैं क्लब के minutes से. So minutes are that important. And in the district it was earlier handwritten. I changed it to printed क्योंकि मुझे मेरी handwriting इतनी गंदी है कि nobody will understand. It's, you know, we call it as lapeti in Marathi. So that is why people never could understand. So I typed it. So it could be handwritten. If you have a good handwriting, no problem. Or you could type it, but hard copies you have to keep. And don't write anything and everything of the meeting. जो crucial था, whatever important points were discussed and finalized. ये था पर हमने ये decide नहीं किया, लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. What was there and what was done, that has to be recorded. It also refreshes your memory क्योंकि हम हर मीटिंग में उसको पास करते हैं, कंफर्म करते पढ़ते हैं तो हमें याद आता है कि पिछले मीटिंग में हमने क्या किया. बिकॉज यू हैव द डिस्ट्रिक्ट असेंबली कॉन्फ्रेंस में 6-7 महीने का फर्क होता है एट टाइम्स. सो यू फॉरगेट. सो दिस इज अ वेरी गुड मेथड. ये हर लेवल पे फॉलो होता है. नेक्स्ट इज अ रिपोर्ट. एवरी एग्जीक्यूटिव कमिटी मेंबर्स गिव्स अ रिपोर्ट दैट इज व्हाट वर्क शी हैज डन. इससे पता चलता है whether the district is functioning properly or not, and that is very very important. That is why I said even if you're not attending, you have to send your reports. So it gives the details of the work done. District chairman generally IIW and association and district events की बात करती है, projects की बात करती है, club formation की बात करती है, extraordinary achievements of the club की बात करती है, and also of the district. अगर membership बड़ी है तो definitely about the achievements of the club. The AC member, as the whole I think the presentation was given by Dr. Kapila. She talks about the various dates of IIW and association events, issues and points put forward, discussed in the AC meetings related to various levels of innovation. जो काम की बात है डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल में यानी ये सारी की सारी चीजें are reported by her. Then the district secretary basically in many districts talks only about the events organized. EC मीटिंग हुई, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिटी मीटिंग हुई, असेंबली हुई, कॉन्फ्रेंस हुआ, इन जनरल. ट्रेजरर टॉक्स अबाउट द ऑडिटेड रिपोर्ट्स एंड अपडेटेड अकाउंट्स, मेंबरशिप ग्रोथ पर क्लब टू नो कितने क्लब्स हुए, एंड लिटरेचर एंड लेपल पिन का स्टॉक, व्हाट शी टॉक्स अबाउट. ESO of course regarding the new club form, membership growth, revival of non-functional club. Why I am talking about these reports is that people talk other things other than the report. मैंने यहाँ चीफ गेस्ट थी, मैं गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर बनी, एंड माई हस्बैंड हेल्प मी अ लॉट, माई चाइल्ड हेल्प मी अ लॉट. फाइन, दैट इज फाइन. दैट इज द आई थिंक ओनली द डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन हु शुड talk about these things about a family involvement, that too in one para. But in general, to be crisp and short, these are the many things. We all know that we cannot do our work unless and until our family members help us. Because this PPT I prepared, and for polishing it I gave it to my husband that isko ठीक ठाक करके दे देना. So we all know that this is very very normal. Then the ISO should talk only about the link clubs, flags exchanged, competitions organized, events organized, or in which competition did she take part, or maybe one prize, she has won prizes. Then the Editor should talk about only the publications done by her and the publicity she did of Innerville through various social media. So you know the reports, it helps you to understand what work was done, record is maintained. You know, people keep saying कि मेरे को guidance नहीं मिला इसलिए मैं कर नहीं पाई. But when you enter into the district, I think Jyoti has entered into a district as a district editor. Is it so?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. So if she wants to find out what is her work, she need not. She has to just see the report of the last year's district editor. Report में ही समझ जाता है उसने करना क्या है. जो उसने किया उसको करना ही करना है. So they form as a training grounds for the incoming people and increases the knowledge relating to association and IIW events. Then you have to also be very particular about the club voting delegates. You are going to have them in the district committee. So you call for the letters from the clubs. That is not done in many clubs. What happens is, in our club what we do, we pass it that such and such members are the voting delegates from our club, and a letter is sent to the district. So up to 50, it should be 2, 51 to 103, 101 to 54, and for every 50 additional, rare है but कुछ districts में है या clubs में है, 1 additional voting delegate. They have to be a member of the executive committee and 3 साल से ज़्यादा continuous नहीं रह सकते हैं, because third voting delegate जो होता है at times may be any person जिसको हम EC में ले रहे हैं and send her as a voting delegate, but she cannot continue for more than 3 years, 3 consecutive years. And if none of the voting delegates are going or one of the voting delegate is not going, तो एक deputy voting delegate भेजा जाता है who is an active member of the club. So that is how you have to see to it कि सही बराबर आए है क्या सही नाम. You must be maintaining the voting delegates register during the conference and assemblies, I presume. So वो भी maintain करना जरूरी है. District CCCEC का post ऐसा है कि it's become so dicey. Few years back she was a part of the EC, then she was not the part of the EC. So उसका क्या करना is a big problem. But let me tell you, be very particular that during Divya's year as a chairman, in the district executive committee meeting held before the district conference, fix up whom you want to be the district CCCC. Because see, that CCCC is going to work with 3 chairmen, incoming chairmen. So let them have a consensus of whom they would like, and let that CCCC continue for 3 years up to the next triennial year. So that is very, very important. And she can appoint, the district CCC can appoint another 3 PDCs, maximum another 3, maybe 2 also will do. Okay, and district chairman, vice chairman, secretary and IPDC are the ex officio members of that committee. Regarding elections, it should be always fair. Scrutiny meeting is held. Scrutinize it properly. At times I have seen कि क्या होता है कि स्क्रूटनी हो जाती है, लेटर चला जाता है, फिर वो शुरू जाते हैं बवाल कि ये तो गलत हुआ, ये सही हुआ वगैरह. First of all, appoint those people as election officers on whom you have confidence of their integrity. Like the district chairman should maintain her dignity, even the district election officers have to maintain their dignity. हमारे क्लब की भी हुई तो if you say to do partiality, I will tell you one example. We had a quiz in my district and I was one of the persons preparing the questions. There were 4 of us preparing and my club members came to my place 1 hour before the quiz and said, Rashmi batana. मैंने कहा no, I am not going to tell, because मैं तो बता दूंगी, चलो ठीक है, वो इतने होशियार है कि कहीं ना कहीं बता ही देंगे, and what will happen to my reputation? My reputation will go down. और एक बार गलती करी, बार बार वो रेपुटेशन याद आती है लोगों की, इसने ऐसा किया था, वो ना उस साल में रश्मि ने अपने क्लब वालों को बताया था. So next time whenever they have any work, will they give it to me? No. So at a particular post आपको सब चीज छोड़ देनी चाहिए and you have to be fair and equal to everybody. आपके लिए सब एक समान है, friend हो या foe. So that you have to be there and circulate the biodata 45 days in advance. And 28 फरवरी से पहले आपने इलेक्शंस कंप्लीट करना है, ये ध्यान रखना है. So that all regarding elections. Finance में ट्रेजर की आपकी ट्रेनिंग होगी तो मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बताऊंगी, बट इतना बताऊंगी कि इसमें भी ट्रांसपेरेंसी रखनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. ट्रस्ट अकाउंट्स पीपल क्लब्स मेंटेन, ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट ट्रस्ट अकाउंट्स किस क्लब में है एंड व्हाट इज हैपनिंग विद दैट ट्रस्ट अकाउंट. दिस इज व्हाट इज मेजर थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट ओवर हियर. And audited account should be circulated 3 weeks before the conference, which is very very important. 21 दिन पहले ये सबके हाथ में उसकी कॉपी होनी जरूरी है. पहुंचे कॉन्फ्रेंस में तब दे रहे हैं तो किसको टाइम है देखने का? That means you are not transparent. So that also you have to keep in mind. Again, now that you have a triennial in your own district, hosted by your district, I presume. So वोटिंग डेलीगेट्स कितने होने चाहिए पता होना चाहिए. 50 मेंबरशिप में 1, 51 to 102, 101 to 153 एंड मोर देन 50 के लॉट में 4. मोर देन 150, सॉरी 50 लिखा गया, 154. एंड एनी एक्टिव मेंबर. जनरली क्या होता है, प्रेसिडेंट अपना नाम भेज देती है चुपचाप. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल to tell them to send the minutes of the general body meeting in which it was passed that she will be the voting delegate. What I believe is that you should generally send senior members of the club as the voting delegates. अगर कोई नहीं जा रहा है, प्रेसिडेंट जा रहे तो इट्स ओके, बट इन जनरल बिकॉज अगर कुछ बहस करने, कुछ आर्ग्यूमेंट्स करने हैं एंड फॉर प्रॉपर वोटिंग, आई थिंक वी शुड एनकरेज सीनियर मेंबर्स फॉर दिस बीइंग अ वोटिंग डेलीगेट. सो बेटर पास इट इन द GBM and then you call for the copy of it so that you know कि ये सही में है. लोग अपने फॉर्म पे लिख के टिक करके भेज देते, पता भी नहीं चलता किसने भरा है. It happened in our district during the convention. So such confusion should not happen. So that is why it should be passed. In my club we always pass. In my district many of the clubs we pass it. जो पुराने क्लब्स हैं वो पास करते तो झगड़े नहीं होते, कंट्रोवर्सीज नहीं होती है. सिमिलर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में भी 2 जाते हैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट एग्जीक्यूटिव से. जनरली हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट से वी सेंड द चेयरमैन एंड द सेक्रेटरी, एंड अगर नहीं देन एनी 2 अदर वंस. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो पास इन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिटी मीटिंग. ऐसे ही नहीं जाते हैं, इट हैज टू बी पास्ड. सो अगर आपको पास कराना है तो इन दिस डिस्ट्रिक्ट असेंबली गेट इट पास्ड, इट विल बी वेरी नाइस. कहीं तो रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए ना, बिकॉज व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट मिनट्स एज अ रिकॉर्ड, इट हैज टू बी अ रिकॉर्ड. एंड विद दिस आई थिंक जितना मुझे बताना था, एंड आई होप once again I have lived up to your expectation, and thank you for the patient listening and for inviting me to your district. It's so nice and generous of you all to call me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rashmi Sharma ji. बहुत ही important topic, protocol and constitution, और बहुत अच्छे से बहुत डिटेल में आपने एक्सप्लेन किया. और डेफिनेटली अगर हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और प्रोटोकॉल को फॉलो करें तो बहुत सारी कंट्रोवर्सीज को हम खत्म कर सकते हैं. और अब ये समय है ओपन सेशन का. अगर किसी को भी कोई क्वेरी है, कुछ पूछना है, तो प्लीज आप पूछ सकते हैं. सरोज जी भी हैं, डॉक्टर रश्मि शर्मा जी हैं, और कपिला गुप्ता जी शायद
नहीं,
हाँ नहीं है. किसी भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर्स को, किसी को भी कहीं कोई बात पूछनी हो. और पीडीसी इसको तो मैं ऐसे नहीं कह रही हूँ कि वो लोग तो सब, उनको तो नॉलेज है अच्छी तरह से, दे आर सीनियर्स, लेकिन अगर हम लोग को कहीं कुछ लगता है तो हम अभी इस चीज को पूछ सकते हैं. सरोज जी, एक चीज ये बताइए, रिटेंशन ऑफ मेंबर की जब बात आती है और या ग्रोथ की बात आती है, तो ये अब मैं देखती हूँ जब भी क्लब मतलब एवरी ईयर है, कुछ ना कुछ मेंबर्स छोड़ के जाते जरूर हैं. तो ऐसा मतलब कैसे उनको रोका जाए, या जब हम मेंबर बनाते हैं उस वक्त ही उन्हें किस तरह से मोटिवेट किया जाए कि वो क्लब को ना छोड़े? क्या होना चाहिए इसमें?
These are pandemic times, तो थोड़ी ये प्रॉब्लम तो आ ही रही है. बस हम लोग जो मेंबर्स को जो पीछे रह जाते हैं, जिनको इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं मिलती है, अक्सर वो छोड़ने लगते हैं. तो जो भी हम लोग पूरे साल प्रोग्राम्स करें, थोड़ी इस टाइप से कमिटीज क्लब में बनाएं. अगर 100 मेंबर्स है, अगर आपने 10 प्रोग्राम्स किया, 10 या 5 इस तरह से आपने अगर सबको लिया तो शायद सब खुश हो जाएंगे. जब कोई एक पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप पूरा एक निग्लेक्ट होने लगता है और कोई एक ग्रुप डोमिनेंट होने लगता है एक क्लब में, तब दूसरों को परेशानी आती है. इफ वी आर फेयर टू एवरीवन, अगर इफ दे हैव वीकनेसेस आल्सो एंड वी ट्राई टू ब्रिंग देम अप और उनको कुछ हम लोग काम देंगे, तो वो जरूर से मोटिवेट रहेंगे और क्लब को छोड़ेंगे नहीं. एवरी मेंबर वांट्स इम्पोर्टेंस. थोड़ी ना थोड़ी इम्पोर्टेंस आपको कहीं ना कहीं हर मेंबर को देनी पड़ती है, क्योंकि उसने पैसे दिया है, आपको क्लब को चला रहा है, चाहे वो साइलेंट मेंबर हो चाहे वो एक्टिव. मन एक्टिव का मतलब ये नहीं है, एक्टिव का मेरा मतलब है कि वो कल्चरल प्रोग्राम में पार्टिसिपेट करता, अच्छे से बोलता है. कुछ में ये सब क्वालिटीज नहीं होती हैं, लेकिन कुछ ना कुछ जरूर होएगा. तो जो भी उसमें हो उसको आप हाईलाइट करके उसको आगे बढ़ाएं, उसको कोई सर्टिफिकेट दे दें, उसको किसी तरह का काम दे के प्रमोट करें, तो आई एम श्योर शी विल नॉट लीव द क्लब.
थैंक यू सरोज जी. और किसी की कोई क्वेरी? उदिता जी कुछ कह रही हैं आप?
No, everything is clear.
तो आई थिंक अब हम लोग मूव करें नाउ. दिस इज द टाइम फॉर कंक्लूडिंग रिमार्क. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ पीडीसी शोभा जी से फॉर कंक्लूडिंग रिमार्क के लिए.
Hello everyone, am I audible?
यस यस.
Yes, ma'am.
Dear District Chairman Udita, Chief Guest, our loving incoming Association President, Mrs. Saroj Katiyar, lively CCCC, Mrs. Rashmi Sharma, and our very prized possession, the great personality of Inner Wheel Organization, past International Inner Wheel President, Mrs. Kapila Gupta ji. I think she has left, but she was here. So I want to address her also. Our loving incoming district chairman, Divya, the divine, I would like to call you Divya the divine, the district executive committee, and my dear PDCs. It is a bit difficult. Thought it was a bit difficult, but I think it is a very difficult task for me to conclude the training sessions conducted by the ultimate dignitaries of Inner Wheel world. I was myself finding it a bit difficult to do this, but I could not say no to the gentle, polite, and loving way in which Divya insisted. Thanks, Divya, for this opportunity. I would like to wish the new team all well. Would like to call the district executive committee the tools and the gadgets that run the district. May God's blessings be always with you all. I'm sure you all have made notes of the preachings by the dignitaries to do work accordingly and in complete coordination with each other, because these are difficult times which need each other's help with no ego. I think ego in these times should be kept in the locker, closed, no egos in between. As Kapilaji said, you are for 1 year. Say no to me and myself. You are here to give your best, honestly and diligently, with full energy, energize, empower, execute. I think you all have made notes out of this. I liked a few things of her and I have made notes. Boldness for the district chairman, she said she should have boldness to stand against what is not right. Very true. She should have a clear knowledge, which Rashmi ji has given extensively. And she should not be a ruler. She should be a leader. Leader means she should lead with an example. Set an example first, do it first, and then I think the rest will themselves follow it. And one thing which I would like to emphasize on is the minutes, which she very rightly said. Minutes is the actual discussion happening in the meeting. It is not what you want to write to make it what was going on or not. I don't know. It should be checked. In our times, we used to write 3-4 copies of the minutes, send them to the senior leaders and who were present in the meeting. And when they used to check it, yes, you have written it right, then we used to finalize the minutes. Nowadays, I think that rule is not being followed. I'm sorry, I have added this from my side, but I feel this, that they should be what is exactly happened in the protocol, about which Rashmi ji has really, Rashmi ji, you are the rule book of the inner wheel. I am proud of you, I would like to say. She has very rightly explained in a very simple way, Dadaji and Karta wale words use karke, कि what is the effectiveness of this protocol procedure? क्या विनम्रता है, क्या traditions हैं, क्या rules हैं which should be followed? And I think these are imbibed in us from the very beginning, and we should follow these protocols very nicely. Then one thing more which I liked about Kapila ji is donate your time. Donate your time, mark her words. Time is the most precious thing, and nowadays especially. So please donate your time. And we are always very short of. एक चीज मैं सरोज जी आपके गोल्स को, I really like this word, Shiroz. Very rightly explained. Which you have so nicely explained, the goals, the rules, and everything. It was wonderful listening to you. You have really made us proud. We are proud of you, and I congratulate you. And I'm short of words, I should say,
थैंक यू शोभा जी,
to
बीच में बोल
to
दिए, लेकिन
express
थैंक
myself.
यू, आपको नमस्कार कहते हैं, आपने इतने
नहीं
अच्छे
नहीं,
से कह
नमस्कार
रहे
नहीं.
हैं।
I'm really short of
Really,
words. You have put your
बिल्कुल।
thoughts and into action, and I'm sure your whole association is going to cooperate and coordinate with us. And we in our district will surely, if God willing, we will be able to follow them very strictly. And the same goes with Rashmi ji. You are a complete rule book. And I have seen, I have met you once in Kanpur when you had come, and but that time I had seen a different personality of yours, and this is a completely different personality. Like in our times, the teachings and the trainings were like what you have trained today. And
Thank
one thing I would like to say, that we are always very short of rule books. Like I feel that in our district, I should not say, but in front of you, I think there is only our district here. So I can say that most of the clubs, they are short of rule books, and I don't know how we can provide them. Like I would request Saroji to get lots of rule books printed that, so that each member has not one, two. If she misplaces one, she can find out the other one and go through that. So this is one thing, because now I don't think we are going to have any physical meetings. कि वहाँ stall है, so the members can buy from there. So how you will provide the Divya rule books, you have to decide. Either you get them to the editor or ISO or any person, and they should be given this duty to see that all the clubs, all the district officers, they have rule books with them. And in the end, I would like to add something, which I feel that now because of the lockdown and other government protocols, we may not be able to meet, but let us work in unison to eradicate the pandemic. There is one saying which I would like to quote, कि पोथी पर जग मुआ पंडित भया न कोय, ढाई आखर प्रेम का पढ़ा सो पंडित होए. For where there is love, there is God, and where there is God, there is no need. And the motto of Inner Wheel, I think because of that, the Inner Wheel is thriving so much. It is in so many countries, is of friendship and service. So let us, without any inhibitions, without any thing to stop this, express and inculcate in each one of us the feeling of love and friendship, because that is the binding force of the universe, which is nowadays missing, and because of which we are in such a bad situation. Thank you all so much for this time, and God bless. On behalf of our incoming district chairman and each and everyone present, and my own self, most humbly, I would like to thank the dignitaries present, Association incoming President Sarojji, Kapilaji, and our very dear, lively CCCC, the rule of Inner Wheel, Rashmi ji, and all the district chairmen, the PDCs, the district EC present here for sparing their valuable time and guiding us. Thank you so much, and God bless.
Thank you so much.
Rashmi ji, I would like to add one thing.
Yeah.
Like Kapila ji said, ki you want to be for 1 year or forever.
Mm.
So I would like to tell you, because Kapila ji has left, that I am an Inner Wheel member since 50 years. And I was the district chairman in 1980 and 81. So
my.
since then, I am trying to be a part of it and not be there for 1 year. Thank you.
So nice, so nice. Thank you. Great. Lucky to have such PDCs.
Thank you, Divya, for giving me this opportunity, and over to you.
Thank you so much, respected Shobha जी. आपने मेरी रिक्वेस्ट को समझा और आपने ये जो कंक्लूडिंग रिमार्क था उसको पूरा किया. मैं रियली तहे दिल से आपका शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ. और जैसा कि आपने कहा रश्मि जी को रूल बुक, वाकई मुझे भी लगता है जब भी कहीं कोई बात होती है और जब भी मैं फोन लगाती हूँ तुरंत रश्मि जी 1 मिनट मतलब विद इन अ सेकेंड जवाब देती, हाँ इसका ये है. तो सारी चीजें आपको टिप्स पर है, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है. और वाकई शायद हम लोग भी इन चीजों को अगर समझ सकेंगे तो हमारे लिए बहुत इजी होगा काम करना. और थैंक यू सो मच. और ऑफिशियल वोट ऑफ थैंक्स तो आज हम नहीं कर रहे हैं बिकॉज दिस सेशन विल कंटिन्यू टुमारो. ये तो सेशन फर्स्ट था, तो ना तो मीटिंग एडजर्न कर रहे हैं ना वोट ऑफ थैंक्स कर रहे हैं. अगेन हम लोग कल फिर से मिलेंगे इसी टाइम पे मॉर्निंग में 10:45 पे.
Bye and thank you. Sarojji ji, bye.
Thank you, Rashmi ji, for coming here, for giving
Thank
your
you.
time and for explaining
Rash-
everything so beautifully. It is always a pleasure to listen to you and see you also. Always smiling, always full of positivity.
Thank you so much. Thank you. All the best to your district. I'll leave. Okay.
Thank you.
leave.
Thank you,
रश्मि
Rashmi
जी,
ji.
हाँ
Thank
रश्मि जी
you.
कल भी ज्वाइन,
Thank you
कल
so
भी
much.
सब लोग ज्वाइन करेंगे. अब मैं रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ सेकंड सेशन में भी कल हम आप सब लोग फिर से ज्वाइन करिएगा जरूर. सरोज जी थोड़ा सा टाइम निकालिएगा कल भी.
जी हाँ, जरूर से.
Thank you.
ठीक है. सभी पीडीसी से डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर से मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, कल फिर हम सब मिलते हैं.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you,
Bye
Divya.
bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Welcome.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, bye.
Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye. अब ये बताइए कुछ अनऑफिशियल बात करनी हो. अब ऑफिशियल तो मीटिंग खत्म हो गई.
नहीं बहुत अच्छी मीटिंग हो गई तुम्हारी.
नहीं
और
साथ
ज्योति ने बहुत अच्छे से हैंडल किया था. ज्योति ने बहुत अच्छे से हैंडल किया.
Thank you.
कहीं
Thank
सुनो
you.
सब
बहुत
चीजें
बधाई आपको.
थैंक यू भाई. सुनो, सब चीजें अच्छी नहीं बताओ, जो
नहीं,
बहुत
नहीं,
खराब
सब
है
बहुत
वो
अच्छे
जरूर
हैं।
बताओ।
खराब हुआ ही नहीं है।
खराब नहीं हुआ। वो दिव्या 1 मिनट भी स्क्रीन से हटे नहीं है, मतलब वीडियो जरूर ऑफ ही है लेकिन कान पे ईयरफोन लगा रहा है।
जी, चलो।
ऐसा नहीं। सरोज जी आपके गोल
Wonderful
वंडरफुल,
goals है,
बहुत
हाँ।
अच्छे,
थैंक यू,
बहुत
थैंक्स अ
अच्छे
लॉट।
से आपने एक्सप्लेन
सरोज जी,
किया उसको।
इसको हम कह रहे हैं ना, आप वो कर दीजिए ना, मिशन सरोज स्त्री शक्ति को।
Nothing is
नाम
personal.
नाम
Me
बहुत
in
अच्छा है
Innovation.
सरोज, बहुत
Nothing
ही
is me.
नहीं
प्यारा, और
दिव्या,
जिस तरह से
तुम
एक्सप्लेन किया है ना,
दिव्या तुम अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट में इसको नाम चेंज कर दो, स्त्री शक्ति को मिशन सरोज।
मिशन सरोज कर दो,
मिशन सरोज कर दें।
तुम अपनी तरफ से कर दो।
बहुत अच्छा
हाँ,
रहेगा।
नहीं इसमें एक चीज